Students are generally very confused as to how to approach English literature as a subject. So in this video, let's know some of the must-read books highly recommended by the Oxford Universities for the English language students. Hello everyone, this is Poulami Dash and you're watching English Literature with Poulami. What a student read in the school curriculum is important and good enough. But with only that much knowledge about literature, a student may find it overwhelming to go for the subject as a degree. So, in this video, let's know 10 of the must-read books for the beginners of the English literature studies that are highly recommended by the Oxford Universities. So, watch the video till the end to know about all the books that are going to boost your preparation and make you a lot more confident and knowledgeable about the subject. But before that, do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. Beowulf. Beowulf is an Old English poem written in the Old English language. The writer of Beowulf is an anonymous writer who is later named by the scholars as the Beowulf poet. The poem is full of feast, gore battles, warriors and monsters. It is a tale of the era beyond our knowledge and this is going to be a very fun read. So if you want to know more about the story of Beowulf or about the full summary of it, I have already made a video on it and you can check it down in the description box below. The Canterbury Tales. The Canterbury Tales is a collection of stories in verse forms that are told by the pilgrims who are visiting from London to the shrine of St. Thomas Becket in Canterbury. It is written by none other than Geoffrey Chaucer and it is one of the most celebrated work by him. A Midsummer Night's Dream by William Shakespeare. Well, William Shakespeare is a must-read for English literature students, but this particular drama, A Midsummer Night's Dream, may not sound usual just like Hamlet or Macbeth, but this is one of the most shortest and most accessible works done by William Shakespeare. The story is full of wacky languages, intriguing plot and reckless lover, pompous actors, mischievous fairies who have an adventure just outside Athens in a forest. Emma by Jane Austen. Emma is a story of a handsome, clever and rich Emma Woodhouse who decided to play the Cupid for her friend but is convinced enough that she will never get married herself. Mary Burton by Elizabeth Gaskell. The novel is a recountation of the struggle faced by the working class in the 19th century in the industrial Manchester. The story is full of death, disappearance, false accusation, sea journeys, which revolves around a central love story. A Doll's House by Henry Gibson. Henry Gibson is one of the most celebrated writers of the Norwegian origin and his most important work, actually one of the most important works, is The Doll's House. The story of Doll's House revolves around Nora Holmer, who feels trapped in a marriage by her manipulative husband. Selected poems by Wilfred Owen. Wilfred Owen is regarded as the greatest and the most important of the war poets. His works resonate the horrors of the war. Same as his selected poems also resonates the horrors of the World War I. The most important among the poems included in the poetic collections are Disabilled, Dulcet Decoramist, etc. The Bell Jar by Sylvia Plath. The Bell Jar is an autobiographical novel of Sylvia Plath that describes very frankly about the mental illness and the situation of women in a restricted society. The story of Belja tells the story of a young woman named Astha Greenwood who feels a mental breakdown while in an internship in New York. She is forced to figure out as to what she wants out of her life after that. The World's Wife by Carol Ann Duffy. Carol Ann Duffy's The World's Wife is a poetry collection that is sometimes sad, sometimes funny, but all the more very readable. The poem collection revolves around our preconception of the famous women from literature. And lastly, The Kite Runner by Khalid Hossein. Khalid Hossein's The Kite Runner is one of the most important and the burning example of the post-colonial literature. The plot has a gut-wrenching storyline that revolves around an Afghan boy named Amir who flees from his country while Soviet military interventions, but eventually made to return back to his country to seek redemption. That's it for today. In today's video, we talked about 10 of the most important books that an English literature student must read that are highly recommended by the Oxford Universities. So what are your most favorite books? Tell me in the comment section below. If you liked today's video, do give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. We'll come up with such other important topics in our coming videos as well. So till then, stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you.